Drink. She drinks water. Run. He runs fast. Walk. We walk to school. Sleep. The baby sleeps well. Play. They play football. Jump. I jump high. Read. She reads a book. Write. She writes a letter. Sing. I sing a song. Dance. They dance together. Clean. We clean the room. Cook. My mother cook rice. Wash. I wash my hands. Open. Please open the door. Close. Close the window. Talk. They talk to friends. Listen. Listen to the teacher. Watch. We watch TV. Help. I help my friend. Learn. We learn English. Teach. He teaches math. Draw. I draw a cat. Paint. She paint a picture. Smile. He smiles at me. Laugh. They laugh loudly. Cry. The babies cries a lot. Stand. Please stand here. Sit. Sit on the chair. Drive. He drives a car. Ride. I ride a bike. Buy. She buys milk. Sell. They sell fruits. Close. Close the book. Hold. Hold my hand. Throw. Throw the ball. Catch. Catch the ball. Push. Push the door. Pull. Pull the robe. Climb. Climb the tree. Kick. Kick the ball. Cut. He cuts the paper. Build. They build a house. Make. I make a cake. Break. Don't break the glass. Fix. He fixes the chair. Call. Call your friend. Love. I live my family. Hate. I hate loud noise. Like. I like pizza.